Hello, and welcome to this short video showcasing Codeware's Shopfloor program. My name is Matt Hyland, and today I want to show you some of the highlights of our welding software. Now, Shopfloor is a welding procedure and QC documentation management software that integrates directly with Codeware's compress or inspect programs. So today I want to show you some of the highlights that I think will really help you as the customer, help streamline operations, and just modernize your welding software. So as you can see here, I've logged into Codeware's Shopfloor program. And probably the first thing I want to do is show you right out of the box the integration that you have with Compress. Now, why is the integration important? It's because if you're using Compress or Inspect, you can bring the QA department in early to make sure that we have qualified welders, WPSs available, items like that. So we're going to take this example here. So this is a tall tower that was built in Compress, and we're going to export it. So easily, we're just going to go to the 3D export, and we're going to export this XML 3D file. Now, I've already gone ahead and exported it, so I'll just cancel it, but you just click save, and this file would be saved. Next, we're going to pull up Shopfloor, like so, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new job. So we're going to go Jobs, Create New Job, and I'm going to do this very quickly. I'll just look up a generic customer right now. And we're going to create this job. And all the other information we can enter in later as well. Now, one of the biggest things here is, again, this equipment tab. What I can do is I can actually load in that compressed file and will identify all the welds on the vessel. So I'll quickly create new equipment. And what I'll do is I'll select a vessel. What I'm going to do is import the compress and spec design file right here. I'm going to locate my XML 3D file that I exported earlier, click Open, and click Create. What this is going to do is we're going to identify all the longitudinal, circumferential, nozzle welds, all of the welds that we specified in Compress are being identified in Shopfloor right now. So you don't need to recreate any welds or vessels within the program. So great, it's been brought in. Now if I come down to my weld editor, you can see here we have all the weld categories listed for you and with a color legend. So if you see a blue dot, it means we've already had a welder or WPS assigned. The gray square is a WPS is available. Or if you see the red triangle, none is available. So QA may want to send it back to the design and say, can you guys make changes as a joint so we have an available WPS? So what you can do from here is simply come in, drill down, and you can actually start assigning WPSs. And we'll look up all the available WPSs as well as the welders available for you. So that's one way we can help integrate with your operations right away. You can bring QA in early, you can pass files back and forth, and you can make sure it's just a smoother transition throughout the shop. Now, the other thing we do is we also organize all your QC documentation within one platform. So if you need to package everything up afterwards, the client would like a listing of all the WPSs available, we can package that up as well. Now, not only do we deal with the Section 9 forms as well, I'll just close this down, but there are also other forms available. So for example, if you come to the Forms tab here, I'll just create a new form. We have the ASME as well as the MBIC. And within the ASME, we have Section 1, 4, 8, 9, and PCC-1 for those of you looking to track bolted joints. So for example, if I take a Section 8 form, we'll take a U form, and I'll just select a U1A form right here. Now again, you can load in the compressed file, or if you want, you can just create it early. So again, if you want QA to fill out the form ahead of time to get some of this stuff going, you can do that. And then as you can see here, here's a U1A form. And this is all linked with the compressed model, so all the information would come over. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to show you this U1A form is because we also haven't, you can also upload this electronically. So under the Save button here, you can do an electronic submission to the national board. So again, we don't have to print it off, mail it in. We could submit them electronically for you as well. So again, helping streamline your operations by just providing these handy little tools. Now, one of the other things we do is the flexible licensing that's available for you. So unlike most welding softwares where it's locked into one computer and one user, you have up to 50 logins. You can log in from any device. You can log in from mobile devices, anything like that. So it's very flexible licensing for you, so it works for you. And finally, if you're interested, In Shopfloor, we do offer a setup service as well. So if you've got forms that you want to get imported or helping you switch from those old legacy softwares, we can certainly help you. There's a setup service available. But I'd like to encourage you guys, if you're interested to learn a little bit more about Shopfloor, give us a call today. We love talking with our customers. Or if you're new to Codeware, we love hearing about some of your challenges that we might be able to help solve. So give us a call or email us today, and we'll be happy to show you how Shopfloor can help streamline your operations.